Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to supercharge your workflow in Notion by building your very own productivity game. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a sleek, professional system that not only makes your daily tasks way more enjoyable, but also helps you stay focused and motivated, all thanks to a free template. If you're looking to level up your Notion setup for website creation or any other project, you'll definitely want to stick around for this walkthrough. Alright, so let's jump straight into it. For this demonstration, we're going to be using the free productivity game template. The magic of using a pre-made template is that it saves you a ton of setup hassle, and the design is already polished and ready to go. Think of it as getting the blueprint to a house instead of starting from scratch. It's much faster, and you can always remodel it later to suit your personal style. First things first, open up your Notion workspace. You'll notice a menu icon in the top left corner. This is where you'll find more options. Go ahead and click that menu. Give yourself a moment here to let Notion load. Sometimes if you have a lot of pages open or a busy dashboard, it might take a couple of seconds. Once you've clicked the top left dropdown, look for the option labeled Browse Templates. This is essentially Notion's template library. It's like walking into a store with pre-designed layouts for every kind of workflow you can imagine. Click into Browse Templates, and you'll be able to search for exactly what you need. Now, in the search bar, type in Productivity Game. You'll see a handful of options pop up, and here's where you can spend a minute looking through the designs to find one that fits your vibe. Whether you want something minimal and clean, or something more playful with gamification features, take your time selecting the template that feels right for you. It's a bit like picking out a notebook or planner at a store. Go with what resonates. Once you've decided, just click on the template you want and hit Add. Don't worry if it doesn't look exactly right at first. Remember, templates are starting points. Bringing the template into your workspace will instantly set up the foundation for your productivity game, complete with dashboards, score trackers, task lists, and whatever features the creator packaged in. Now comes the fun part, personalization. Here, you can add your own credentials and creative touches. For example, you might enter your website projects, goals, or specific areas where you want to track your progress. If the template has visuals, try uploading your brand logo or some motivating images. You can even change the colors, rearrange sections, or tweak the rules of the game to line up with your workflow. Don't worry if it feels a bit overwhelming. Just start with the basics, maybe input 1 or 2 tasks, and build up as you experiment. And that's it. You now have a professional-looking productivity game right in your Notion workspace, ready to keep you on track as you make your website or anything else you're planning. It transforms productivity from a chore into something you actually want to check in on each day. Feel free to play around with the template and make it truly your own. If you got stuck anywhere, or if you have any ideas for how to use the productivity game, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out or chat about Notion setups. And if you found this tutorial useful, give it a like and consider subscribing for more easy-to-follow guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and happy building in Notion.